Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to fix Snapchat memories not working. So let's begin right away. So there are actually three steps I can suggest in fixing this issue. First is to go to your browser and then proceed to support.snapchat.com. Once you are here, click on Contact Us, which is this orange button. Click on it and then click on I need help with a Snapchat feature. So click on it there and then look for Snapchat memories. And then once you have seen Snapchat memories, click on it and then you may choose the reason that you want and then simply follow the steps needed. And if it still doesn't work, you may now go to your settings and then proceed to general, iPhone storage, and then right here, make sure to delete some apps. Usually delete apps that are large in size so that this issue would be fixed. Again, if it still doesn't work, proceed to your home page, press and hold on Snapchat, and then remove app, and then delete it right away. Once you have deleted it, go to the App Store and then reinstall your Snapchat once again. Again, if it still doesn't work, please contact Apple support or go to the nearest Apple or Mac Center for more assistance. So that's it. That's how you can fix Snapchat memories not working. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.